up, alphas? So today I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I package my own product, keeping cost efficiency in mind, keeping 5-star reviews in mind, and basically just making the very best experience possible for my buyers. All of the links for the products that I personally buy for my own Etsy shop will be down below as we go through all of the cool things and inserts that I use with my own packages. If you guys haven't been following our holiday series, also be sure to find the playlist linked down below, because this is actually video 6 of an entire series of holiday videos that we have been creating for you guys so you can prepare for the Etsy holiday shopping season, which is going to be starting in just 2 weeks, like right after Halloween. That's when all the craziness begins. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed this series so far. If you have, make sure that you let us know down in the comments, and we are going to dive into my own office. So these are some of my keys. This isn't very Christmassy, is it? My Halloween nails. These are some of my keys that are actually going to be shipping this week. And I wanted to give you guys just a little glimpse of how I package these keys. So some of the items that I get from my own packages are these little gift bags. They're very affordable. I can't remember exactly how much they are, but I will leave a link down below, and you can get these little gift bags on eBay in tons of different colors. So I'll leave the exact links to these down below. The only thing that I will say about these gift bags in particular is you have to trim. I always cut these little strings right here on the ribbons. But other than that, these are great little cheap, affordable gift bags if you make small products. And then I also get this ribbon. These rolls are 99 cents each, and you can get them in all different colors. So I'll leave the links to these down below as well. The bags ship within the United States. The ribbons, I believe, come from China, but they're very affordable, and it's a lot better than going to the craft store. Other things that I add into my packages are my care instructions, which I print myself and cut with a paper cutter. So super easy. You could obviously print these on cardstock or make them a little nicer, but I like to keep my costs very low. So care instructions, and then from Vistaprint, I get my business cards. So make sure that you always have a business card, especially during the holidays. That way, if these products are gifts, the person who received the gift can come shop from you again if they like your products. And I do the metallic finish on my logo and my name. If you can kind of see that, it's a little bit shiny. But I use the matte cards, just one-sided, so they're pretty affordable on Vistaprint. I'll link it down below. You can always also find coupons for Vistaprint at retailmenot.com. And then the last thing that I get are these round envelope seal stickers that I actually put right on my packages. And the entire things I wrap in black tissue paper, which I buy in big bulk packages, and then I cut it myself. So an example of what these look like. This one has a white ribbon. Sometimes I alternate between the black and the white ribbon, but this is what the finished product looks like. Here's where I put my sticker. And then I usually tie some type of little charm on here. This one I do a little key shaped lock because obviously my products are keys, but sometimes I switch these out for the holidays. But this is what the finished product looks like. So all of the links are going to be down below. They are super duper affordable, and it doesn't cost much to make your package look great, especially when it comes to holiday time. All right, alphas, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you give it a big thumbs up and also click the subscribe button. That way you guys can get the rest of our holiday series as you gear up for the busy holiday shopping season. And keep in mind, here's just a little note from me. Though you do have the option to charge for gift wrapping on Etsy, I recommend throwing together some type of gift wrapping that you offer for free. And even if you have a more premium gift wrap that you charge for, I do feel like presentation is everything. It's going to equal more positive reviews and a better buyer experience. So if you're able to spend just a few dollars on gift wrapping, it can mean the world for the reputation of your shop. Altogether, this gift wrap bundle costs me maybe about 2 or 3 cents each. So when you buy in bulk, it definitely makes things easier, and all of the links to the products that I personally use will be down below. Now, don't forget also, down below we have the link to our Black Friday survival guide. There are not many weekends left or many weeks left that you guys are gonna be able to prep for Black Friday. So be sure to print off that cheat sheet and the checklist. That way you can follow along with me and get your shop ready, because Black Friday ultimately is the time of year when most industries make the most sales. So you've got Black Friday to look forward to, you have Small Business Saturday to look forward to, and you even have Cyber Monday to look forward to, and everything that you need to know to prepare will be in that cheat sheet. All right, Alphas, we'll see you next week.